Today on the live NLP Business Circle Masterclass, we were working on modeling excellence. Now, the lovely thing about having neurolinguistic programming skills, NLP skills, is you can break down how someone is doing something well into the components of what they're doing, both on the outside world, that is their behavior, the words they're using, the voice tone, and also in the inside world. What's their beliefs and values behind this? What motivates them? What keeps them going? You can put all that together and you can then replicate that behavior. But what we're doing in this particular session today was we were doing this conversationally, just by asking each other how someone does something well. So today I did a demonstration with someone that I really wanted to model because it was something she did that I want to learn to do. She walks consistently 10,000 steps a day. And I'm not moving enough just now, but we did this conversationally, just by asking, so how do you walk every single day 10,000 steps? And what we broke down was this particular person, she saw here, she actually made a mental picture that she could see 10,000 steps with a comma. She had the comma there as well. She uses an app. She measures where she is. She also gets up in the morning. She puts her walking shoes on and gets out and walks first thing before she even thinks about it. Sometimes it's 10 minutes, sometimes it's 20 minutes. It doesn't matter. She just gets moving because she breaks that 10,000 down into small incremental steps. And throughout the day, she'll go back and check her app and she'll go, right, I want to add some more to that. And she goes and does something else. And even in the evening, if she still hasn't got that number, she'll just take her app with her and she'll walk up and down. She'll just walk and she'll keep doing till she gets these steps. She is totally motivated by the fact she's turned it into a game and she loves competing against herself. So even talking through these steps, there was quite a lot of people on the session today could say, well, actually, I could see myself doing it. Her motivation wasn't particularly to get fit and healthy. She is fit and healthy. She's always stayed fit and healthy. Of course she is, because she's doing the 10,000 steps. But that's not the motivation. The motivation was to get a clear head. However, I was able to take that model and go, hang on, I've got other ways that I use to clear my head, but my motivation is to get fitter and more flexible. So the lovely thing about modeling something from someone, modeling excellence, is to ask yourself, what do I want to get this model for? What do I want to use this model for? Because if you're able to understand why you want to use this model, it becomes much easier to connect with it. It becomes much easier to find the steps that that person's doing and how that person's thinking, some of the things they're saying to themselves, that you can then translate into how you can do it using the same model or the same process.